In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening voice recorder app. Then select while using and allow in all available pop-ups. And click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this orange one at the top. To listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it and click on play button on the left. And to end it and save it, click on the square on the right. Then name your recording and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it. Select delete all at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!